Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to make icing fondant. So I have with me my gelatin. Some people buy the sachet gelatin, some buy the ones in the container. And I have my water. And this is my bowl. So you're going to take 6 tablespoons of water, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you collect your gelatin 1 tablespoon level. So this is my gelatin. I'm pouring it inside the bowl. So guys, I'm mixing everything together for you to dissolve. You got to mix it together for you to dissolve. Keep mixing till you see that the particles of the gelatin are all dissolved. So guys, I removed it from the fire. I put water in a saucepan and allow it to heat. Then place my bowl inside the saucepan. Then add my half tablespoon of glucose. So now, after stirring, you see that I've dissolved. Everything I've dissolved is liquid now. So I placed it in a bowl of cold water. You allow it to cool before using it. So guys, I've added my mixture of my gelatin and the glucose together. I pour it on top of my icing sugar. Then you start mixing with your hands. Make sure you mix it with your hands. Gently mix together with your hands gently. Keep mixing, mix together with your hand gently. And it's very soft, so you keep massaging till it's firm.